If you have ever wondered how to find topics that go super viral in YouTube automation, then you are in the right place. I am here now revealing 4 ways to find topics that are trending as well as shareable to your audience. I found these best 4 ways after doing around 3 years of complete research in the YouTube automation space. So this can never fail. But putting up a caution, please make sure you use the right tools and the right research methods to find your topic to go viral. Well, the first one itself is the most important. As you know, YouTube is the world's second biggest search engine. So that's again your answer. We can find viral and trending topic ideas just from the YouTube search bar. Consider the YouTube search bar as your hidden treasure. So let's take for an example. Begin by entering general terms associated with YouTube automation. So let's search such as automation tools for creators or YouTube channel growth hacks. Check out the auto suggestions they appear in the search box. These are gold mines, because people are currently searching up these terms, so this is your perfect window to recreate and go viral. Next, you can go ahead and search up more by applying some filters such as most viewed or recently uploaded. This reveals popular subjects that are trending on YouTube and gives you an idea on what your next video should be on. Enter a general keyword in your niche, for example like cooking or fitness or anything, and the first thing that pops up on your search bar is your golden mine. Make sure you take note of the trending searches area. What subjects are being discussed over here, and this is the place where you get really good ideas to go viral ASAP. So let's go for the second most best way to find viral topics, which is using tools like vidIQ and TubeBuddy. These both are simply an add-on as well as extensions for your browser. So what these tools do are they help you provide insights such as ranking information, SEO information, basically the keyword competitions and the keyword score. Our aim with the help of this tool is to find keywords and titles that rank up high in the search bar but having the less competition. This is where we have a big window to score on. We create a video ASAP on this topic and post it, and you by yourself can see views soaring up because there are less competition in that keyword and very few creators are posting. But at the same time, it's trending and the search for that keyword is going up. Now let's go to the third best way to make viral topics, and it's long tail keywords. As you know, keywords are very much important for the optimization of the title, which can result up in going higher views. These particular terms, such as best email autoresponder tools for YouTubers, or setting up Zapier for automated video scheduling, or how to cook a perfect sandwich in 10 minutes. As you can see, these keywords have pretty much subjective words as well as keywords that can help you rank up when people search anything related to that. And the fourth best way to find a viral topic is your competitors. Make sure you take advantage of these competitors over here. In this research method, you have to be in the examine mode. You have to examine your competitors' titles, descriptions, tags with the help of other tools, thumbnails, everything. This is where you can see what is wrong with your channel and why maybe you aren't getting pretty much good views. Let's say for an example, you are in the F1 niche. You see bigger F1 channels over there. But what you have to notice is channels that have around way less subscribers, which are budding up channels, which are booming up. And if you see a video, like let's say a channel is having only 20,000 subscribers or 10,000 subscribers, but if you see a video making more than 500,000 views or like even 300,000 views, or let's say even 100,000 views, is a gold mine. That is when you know you should take up that video, duplicate it, or make a better version of it and post it. And that's one way we have made $10,000s per month doing YouTube automation. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. We are uploading videos most weeks as tips, and also we are building a really affordable YouTube automation community where you don't have to pursue YouTube automation with a hole in your wallet. We are bringing up pretty much super affordable plans as well as masterminds and blueprints where you can pretty much easily score up this game with a little less investment per month. So please make sure to subscribe to us, and if you are into the YouTube automation business model, if you have a channel, if you see anything that's wrong and that's not growing at all, there's going to be a calendar link below. You can click up that, schedule a call with myself. I'll be there along with my team to help you. Thank you.